Hi, what's up YouTube? There are many causes for cylinder misfire, but one of the easiest things that you can check on your vehicle is to check the spark plugs. You may have a dirty or faulty spark plug like the one to the left. Some of the top brands for spark plugs include NGK, Denso, Bosch, and Autolite. If you'd like to check out the best deals on these spark plugs, just check out the link I have in the description below. So the issue that we were having with this Mitsubishi Lancer was the engine check light came on and there was a rough idle, and then definitely every time you put the vehicle under load it has a serious misfire to where it almost feels like the engine mounts on the vehicle are worn out, so you'd feel the engine kind of shake and then smooth out and then shake again. So we decided to buy this brand called NGK Iridium spark plugs. We actually got a free diagnostic check at AutoZone, and then the technician told us that the cylinder 4 was having a misfire, but instead of replacing just one of the spark plugs, we went in and changed all 4. I believe AutoZone's onboard diagnostic scanner read a code of P0300. From start to finish, it only took about 20 minutes to complete the spark plug install, mainly because the spark plugs are all on the top of this engine here. But basically, once we started it up, you can hear how smooth it is. It doesn't have those weird little sputters and rough idling going on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.